Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is May 10th, and we're going to take a look at GE. And here we have GE. I really like following GE. It is a good trading stock. It has so much liquidity that you can get it in and out of it with ease, and I value that. In addition, I value it because it is such a heavy player that it helps to move the Dow when it wants to, although it does not move in tandem with the Dow, which is unfortunate, because then it would be even easier to trade. But just a quick update as to what's going on. We've had some good calls in the daily running thread, and those for the most part have worked out extremely well. Today we had the up movement in the market and had a decent move with GE. Not a wonderful move, but a decent one. And we have two areas of resistance, the first one being at the 2060 area and the other one being at the 2150 area. And you can see that reflected pretty well in the chart. It has gone back up to test it. Unfortunately, it is so choppy. It's been so choppy for the last month and a half that it's been difficult to get. There hasn't been a good trend established to follow. And today we had an uptick on the short-term moving average. Unfortunately, the partial flat line is so close that the price target was already met today. However, the long-term moving averages are still bullish even after all this damage that's been done to it. It's still there. The separation isn't so great, but there is separation. And should the short-term moving averages go up with a decent move, one, maybe two more green candles, we will see a beginning crossover once again on the short-term moving averages, which would be a buy signal. On the secondaries, we can see that the MACD histogram is still ticked down, even with the green candle of the last 2 days. And so, with any luck, if it can cross over the zero line and go positive, we should have a test of the resistance at 2060. And if it breaks through that, the next line of resistance is at 2150 or so. And that would be a nice little move. I'm hoping that will pan out. Across the time frames, we can see that on the 15-minute, GE has become nice and bullish. And no real warning signs there. We had a little downtick here. It's already been fixed. On the 30-minute, we can see that we're having a crossover into bullish territory with the long-term moving averages, which would be a buy signal once it establishes separation. And on the 60-minute, we can also see that it is moving into a flat line. If it's able to complete that and flip over, that would also be a buying signal, according to Guppy. So there you have it. There is GE in a nutshell, and I'm actually in this one. I have a very tight stop because it could definitely fall apart if the market runs into trouble in the close term, but this is a little bit of an early signal to be on the lookout for, that this could be a stock that has a significant or decent move in the very near future, especially if the market keeps going up. As always, all investing decisions are your own, and this chart and video are for educational, entertainment, and consumption of time purposes only.